Wagwan, you guys. Today I'm coming at you with a makeup look. This video is old. Let me just do a disclaimer right now. This video was filmed in November 2020. I was very hesitant to put up this video because I wasn't sure of the look, but I mean, at the time that I did it, I thought it was pretty good. I don't know why. I'm just getting around to editing it, but you guys can let me know what you think of the look when it's done. So please stick around to the end and let me know your honest opinions on this look. If you're interested in the hair any at all, I did do a video on this whole hair vibe, so I'm going to link it in the cards above as well as in the description box, and you can give that video some love and watch it and let me know what you guys think of it also. So this makeup look was actually the look that I did for my birthday. I did a DIY photo shoot, which I will also link in the description box and in the cards above, so if you're interested, you could definitely go and check out that video. I really wanted to do something blingy, something over the top, and I definitely think that this look was it. For the most part, I think that the skin, as in my base, my foundation portion of this look, was pretty on and popping. I really liked it. I think for the most part I'm very good at doing skin, but when it comes to eyeshadow, I mean, I can do my thing, yes, but I'm not 100% on it, which I am okay with sharing my flaws with you guys. I like to think that I am a makeup artist at times. I mean, I can do makeup pretty well in my opinion. I'm not the best, but I'm pretty good. But yeah, for the most part, I'm gonna stop saying for the most part. I don't have anything bad to say about the skin that I did. Is when I reached the eyeshadow, girl, that's when I felt like everything was going downhill. So I'm gonna let you guys watch the foundation part of it. This is my favorite part of it. I feel like this part of my makeup came out really good, and let me know in the comment section down below if you think so also. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel already. I do makeup, natural hair, I do vlogs, so if you're interested in videos like those, be sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any future uploads. Alright, so we're on to the eyeshadow now, and I feel like maybe if I explain it, it's going to make sense to you guys. So I am priming my eyes, as you can see, and I will be using mostly Juvia's Place palettes. I really like those palettes. I think they're very pigmented, and I really do enjoy these palettes. So I am putting on the eyeshadows. As you can see, I wanted to go for a pink blue kind of mix look, so that is what you see me doing right now. I'm putting blue in the outer corner of my eyes and pink on my lid and purple in like my crease area. It was very hard to do the cut crease. I don't think I'm the best at cut creases, but I think this cut crease that I did, it came out pretty good. I don't mind it. So I'm going in with the pink now, and the baby pink, and when I get to right here, I don't have a problem with it. I feel like it actually looked good for the most part. Like that look good to you. Look at the blend, look at the mixture, just look at the colors blending together. I feel like I did a pretty good job when it came to this part here. So now I'm choosing the glitters, and it's my first time using chunky glitters, and I decided to use them today for my birthday. So I'm adding some eyelash glue now just to the pink portion of my eye, and then I'm adding on the chunky glitter. I think I do need some work when it comes to chunky glitters. But I mean, it can go on nonetheless, you know. So I'm trying to save the look now with a neon colored, lavender colored eyeliner. I mean, for the most part, you know, I think the look kind of look good, but I don't know, I feel like there is something missing when it comes to this eyeshadow look. And then I'm gonna pair it with a bright purple lip. Like, seriously, Kim? Seriously? Are you serious right now? But yeah, I mean, I like it. Look at my skin. My skin a glow and my skin look good, and I like everything about my skin. But the eyeshadow, yo, I hope sometime in the future I can come back and redo this look, and maybe it will be a little bit better. But let me know in the comment section down below if you like this look, if this look is something you would try. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. As always, enough love, big up yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.